Parang kaka-review lang natin ng NUBIA V60 Design and naglabas agad sila ng bago. This is the all-new NUBIA V60 Design. Mapapansin mo on my previous review, color blue ang kanyang box and ZTE pa rin nakaprint. But this time around, NUBIA na siya. They have done a rebranding and it will be here to stay ang NUBIA branding. So itong phone na ito is priced at around mga 3,000 pesos and gusto lang natin malaman in this video how good this one can perform. Would it be a good daily driver or a good backup phone or even a good tethering device? Malalaman natin everything after this quick intro. So guys, itong bagong NUBIA V60 Design having a 4 plus 10 gigs of RAM, which is 14, and 256 gigs of RAM will be priced at 5,999 as its SRP. But, pag bumili ka sa Shopee neto and gamitin nyo ang iyong voucher na 12, magiging 3,799 na lang itong phone. So, ibe-base lang natin itong phone na ito at its lowest price point, 3,799, kung kamusta naman performance itong phone na ito. Would it be a good daily driver? Simulan muna natin with the design. So I would say yung design niya, very shiny ang kanyang likod. And well, honestly, punas ako ng punas dito sa likod kasi ang daming fingerprints. Now looking at kanyang camera bump, it's very thin. Honestly, you could hardly feel it. And pag nilagay mo sa table, halos hindi ka nagwo-wobble kasi manipis lang talaga ang kanyang camera bump. Ang kanyang side frames is matte finish, so definitely good, and it's plastic. And another thing is that nandiyan pa ka ng audio jack, so goods na goods. And pag sinunod mo ka ng SIM tray, makita mo there's a triple card slot over here. Supports isang micro SD card plus dalawang 4G SIM. Now, one thing mapapansin mo sa kanya is kwadradong-kwadrado ang kanyang design. So almost the same sa iPhone 15, and medyo makanto siya dito sa edges niya. But what I like dito sa kanya is yung kanyang red na power button. Looks cool. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by the Unisoc na T606. It's nothing really powerful. It's a very basic na entry-level na processor, which is good for daily usage. It can only give me a 234,000 points dito sa AnTuTu benchmark. And if you break it down, this is what you should get. 94% ang kanyang stability dito sa Wildlife Extreme. And itong score nakuha na dito sa Geekbench na CPU benchmarking and sa GPU benchmarking. Not bad naman kanyang throttling, hindi naman siya masyadong uminit, no? And it throttled to 83% ng kanyang best performance. Now, pag-usapan na natin battery ng phone na ito, this one has a industry standard of 5,000 mAh of battery, which can support up to 22.5 watts na fast charging, which is for me not bad kasi before it used to be 10 or 18 watts lang charging na. They bump it up to 22.5, which for me is better compared to 18 and 10 watts, which is quite slow. Now, charging the phone na ito, kaya mo naman matapos within 1.5 hours. And now, based on my day-to-day usage, okay naman itong phone na ito, kaya naman na magtagal ng 1 whole day without any problem. And nung tinest ko siya sa PC Mark, the battery stress test, 14.5 hours ang binigay sa akin based on 50% brightness and 60 Hz of screen refresh rate. Now, ginamit ko rin itong phone na ito as my tethering device. Now, going on a short trip, gamit ko itong phone pang tether. So, I tethered to 3 devices, isang laptop, isang tablet, and isang smartphone. So, kaya naman na magtagal, 1 whole day, tethering, basta as long as maganda naman signal ng binubugan niya, walang problema. Kung yung tipong hirap na siya sumagap, tapos nagte-tether ka pa, medyo talaga magde-drain ng husto ng battery. But if your signal is strong, expect tumatagal ang battery dito sa phone na ito while you're tethering to multiple devices. Now, one of the main things na gusto ko dito sa phone na ito at that price point is 256 gig of storage. Now, I could store a lot dito sa phone na ito, be it music, videos, and taking photos, and doing all of the stuff dito sa phone na ito. Kayang-kaya na mag-store ng malaki. And kung hindi ka pa kontento, meron pa siyang micro SD na expansion, which I think can expand up to another 2 terabyte dito sa phone nito, which I think is more than enough. But I think personally, mas mahal pa yung 2 terabyte na storage kaysa dito sa phone na ito. So it's not a worth investment. The most siguro na expand mo dito, 128 or 256. goods na. Now, this phone has a 6.6-inch HD Plus na display, IPS LCD na may 90Hz na screen refresh rate. On day-to-day usage, okay naman siya, no? Medyo hirap lang siya kunti under the direct sunlight. Medyo mahirapan ka tumingin dito kasi I think mababa lang ka ng maximum brightness. I believe this is only at around mga 500 nits ang kanyang max brightness. If you're indoor naman, watching videos, scrolling on social media, expect naman okay naman ang performance nito due to its good high refresh rate. And if you're watching videos naman dito sa phone nito, like sa mga YouTube, and other online streaming apps, expect a good resolution dito but don't expect it to be as good as a AMOLED display. And by the way guys, this one only has a level 3 na Wi-Fi security level, so don't expect too much. Napag-usapan naman natin itong gaming dito sa phone na ito. I know this phone can only give you yung basic gaming performance like mga ML and PUBG and the likes. So I did try 2 games dito. I played Farlight 84 and Call of Duty Mobile, and here are the maximum graphical settings na pwede natin iset. So playing Call of Duty Mobile, dito ako naka-feel na medyo nagfe-frame drop while I'm tumatakbo. Mafe-feel mo medyo there's slowing down during the gameplay, and especially when you're turning left and right. Napansin ko no na it's a little bit sluggish. So what I did, binaba ko konti ang graphical settings niya and medyo mas smoother, but syempre magsasuffer ang quality ng yung resolution, but it gets the job done. Nakapagpatay naman ako ng maraming kalaban dito and hindi naman masyado uminit tong phone na ito at around mga 39 degrees Celsius lang naman. And weather report, it's 33 degrees Celsius dito sa Manila, and I'm just using air-cooled electric fan lang, walang aircon. Pagdating naman sa Farlight 84, it's a little bit intense. No, though, pwede mo lang iset to hanggang HD, but pagdating sa HD, medyo mafe-feel mo pa rin ang frame drops dito. So, what you can do is just still lower it down further to make it a little bit smoother. So, nung binabaan ko siya, medyo mas smoother ng konti, mas tolerable yung frame drops dito. Talagang mapapansin mo, medyo nahirapan ako konti mag-aim due to, of course, yung frame droppings, mas hindi precise, mas hindi accurate yung mag-aim ko dito sa phone na ito while playing Farlight 84. And it shows no sa gameplay ko. But overall, nakapag naman tayo, marami pa rin tayo napatay kahit papano. Honestly, hindi ako masyado natuwa playing Farlight 84 dito sa phone na ito due to its performance. And pinakamainit na na-achieve niya dito is around 40 degrees Celsius. Usapan na natin ang kanyang camera dito sa phone na ito, and this one has a 50MP na main camera sensor and a 2MP na auxiliary lens. And sa kanyang harap, it's a 8MP na front-facing camera. Both front and rear can only shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. So pag-usapan natin right now ang camera ni NUBIA V60 Design. So taking this outdoor shot, itong mga bato na ito, I would say okay siya. Not so bad for a phone at this price point. This shot, detailed, makita mo, but to the point na there are times sa pag-zoom in mo, makita mo medyo a little bit grainy na siya. Hindi na ganun, medyo nasa-soften na siya. Pero kung hindi mo siya zoom, makita mo, parang okay naman tong picture na ito. You take a look at this picture, okay din. You're looking at many details dito sa photo na ito. And yeah, true enough, pag zoom in mo, there are still some details left, but hindi siya kasing sharp ng mga mid-ranger. Now, what I like about itong photo na ito is that hindi niya sinaturate itong dahon na ito, no? Like making it look a little bit more natural than the other cameras that tend to saturate this photo. But yung hindi ko na masyado gusto is hindi lang ganun kaganda ng background blur. Now, itong flower na ito definitely is very good and magandang details na nakuha niya dito. True enough na sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi niya sinasaturate ang mga greens dito, which makes this camera a good one. Taking some flower shot looks good, but hindi ganun lang ka pop out ang mga photos like this one. If you bring the camera indoors, medyo mag-underperform siya on low light. Makita mo hindi ganun ka-vibrant ang mga photos na makuha mo dito. And you check some of these coffee beans, okay siya. Pero pag zoom in mo siya, medyo a little bit grainy. Medyo hirap siya konti sa low light. And if you look at this one, okay siya. Sharp itong photo na ito. And yung background blur is just katamtaman lang. You won't get yung magandang blur. And taking some product shot, it looks good. And if you zoom it in, maganda naman details niya. More product shot, looks decent. Now, itong shot na ito is just a normal shot. And this is yung kanyang 2x zoom shot. Taking some coconut shot, looks okay. And kung sa medyo night photography ka, you'd see na it's a little bit grainy na pag zoom in mo mga photos. Medyo halatado na. And also this one, medyo grainy na rin siya. If you're using the front-facing camera on outdoors, well, nothing to be proud of. Soft lang kanyang photo. And another outdoor photo looks like this. Medyo pale tayo. And if you bring it indoors, well, ganun din. Medyo dull konti ang photo. But there are times na nag-sharp a little bit. Overall, ang kanyang photo is a little bit blurred. But if you have a good lighting naman, like mga lights dito sa loob ng aking studio, it might look better. If you're using the front-facing camera to take vlog, panning left and right, makita mo it's a little bit shaky. But if you're walking using the front-facing camera, mapapansin mo talaga shaky siya. Now, using its main camera to take a vlog, medyo mahihilo ka talaga if you're watching this video because it's really shaky kasi wala siyang image stabilization. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa bagong V60 design ni Nubia? Honestly, it's a good buy, especially if you're somebody looking for a good na backup phone, second device, or pang tethering to your multi-devices. This one is definitely a good one kasi 1, mabilis siya mag-charge, 2, malaki ka ng battery, and 3, you can use this as your smartphone kasi not so bad ang kanyang camera. If you can buy this at $3,799 sa Shopee na sale, I would say sulit na sulit yan at that price point. So if you want to know guys kung saan pwede mabili itong phone na ito, link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.